Looks like my AUX cord decided to go on strike. Check it out, totally silent. Time for some surgery. Let's peek under its skin and find this sneaky break. Aha! Gotcha, you little rascal. Here's our star of the show, the busted wire. Time to bring out the big guns, the multimeter. Let's see, the ground's gone MIA, no response. And what about the board? Same old story, radio silence. It's totally ignoring us. Now for a bit of a haircut. Snip, snip goes the extra insulation. Spa day for the wires. Let's get rid of this pesky lacquer. Soldering magic time. Let's get these runaway wires back where they belong, on the button. Securing them tight so they don't escape again. Putting this puzzle back together. Getting the remote back in fighting shape. Moment of truth. Pressing the button, and we have contact. The final test. Plugging it into the phone. First, the speakers protest a bit, and then... ta-da! Sounds in the headphones. If this was helpful or just made you chuckle, hit that like button and subscribe.